If you're wondering why it is so hard for you to lose weight, keep listening. I hate to tell you, but I love you, so I am. It's really hard for you to lose weight because you're burned out. Your body literally is too stressed to even consider letting go of the weight that you keep trying so hard to lose. No matter how much you go to the gym, no matter how much you try to eat better, if you are currently experiencing burnout or have consistently felt burnout for a long time, it will be almost impossible to get to your dream weight loss goal. And I'm sure you know, I'm here to help you with that because that's what I do. I help millennial women organize their wellness and life plans so they can live a well-nourished life. I want to help you cure the chaos in your life so, where's the hair? So you can bounce back from burnout for good, and I want to help you cure your chaos so you can lose weight or at least get to your weight loss goal. So here's what you're gonna do, okay? You're gonna go to my profile. You're gonna get the Bounce Back from Burnout class. You're going to heal your burnout and watch the weight melt away. Share with a friend.